AutoNation Group, the exclusive distributors of Mercedes-Benz vehicles, parts and accessories in the Philippines, recently brought Mercedes-Benz Service Expert Mr. Edward Bradley in the country. Dubbed as the Flying Doctor, Bradley flew into Manila to personally supervise a special service clinic for customers of the brand. He led a team of service advisors and technicians in the diagnosis and repair while sharing tips on how to best take care of their Mercedes-Benz vehicles.
Mercedes-Benz all over the world usually hosts the Flying Doctor. This is a professional and skilled technician who comes to every country and just spends a week with the customers just to check really their vehicles and give his expert opinion on how to best maintain those cars. At the same time, he shares his expertise with the local teams handling the services of the dealership. So we recently had Mr. Edward Bradley, who is a native of the UK but holds office in Malaysia. He was here for a week. He met with customers here in our EDSA Green Hills branch and also flew to Cebu to meet with the customers there. And so far, the customers' feedback has been great having met him.